Hello, this is an unboxing video. The manufacturer number is 75764. This is made by Streamlight. It's your Stinger LED HP Fast Charge flashlight. I'm going to take this and unbox it with you. Here we have your operating instructions. This has additional information and other products from Streamlight. Get everything out here. This is your charger. Comes with 2 screws so you can drill it into your wall and let it hang. So it does come with this piggyback charger. And hold the flashlight up. Your on-off is located right there. Battery's already in it. To put a new battery in, you just unscrew the bottom here and it'll just come out. It delivers 267% more intensity than a Stinger LED. So here again we have your Stinger LED HP, your fast charge tactical flashlight, and this is made by Streamlight.